Hey guys, so today I am starting my food pantry series, which is something that I've wanted to do for a really long time now. Just using kind of pantry staples that everyone has, things that keep a long time, and creating really amazing meals with it. And I think that this is a very good time to start showcasing those. So this first recipe is a super easy lentil stew. You can put vegetables in it if you want, but these are basically like root vegetables, so like carrots, onions, some celery if you have it. Just very base vegetables that you can keep for a really long time, and then very few pantry staples, and you just throw them all together into one pot, and it creates a really lovely meal for you or you and your family. So I hope you guys all enjoy. So I'm going to start off by cooking down some carrots, some onions, and normally you use celery, but I only had celeriac. And you can use olive oil, but you can also just do this process with water. Just medium heat, add a little bit of water at a time, and you'll see that the vegetables kind of start browning and the onions start wilting down. So it's totally possible to do this without oil as well. So after 5 to 6 minutes with the vegetables, I add in 1 cup of red lentils, a half of a vegetable bouillon. I just want it to flavor ever so slightly, a bay leaf. I'm not sure if it does really anything, so you don't have to add that. And then right around 4 cups of water. And I'm just scraping down the bits underneath so that all of the flavors are going to be in this soup. And right around 1/4 teaspoon of salt. You can actually do this part at the end as well. And afterwards, just bring this guy up to a boil, lower down to a simmer, and in 20 minutes, you're gonna have something magnificent. So the original recipe called for 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. But if you don't have that, just substitute with, apple cider vinegar or balsamic vinegar, really whatever vinegar, something tangy that you have, right? Because you just want to wake up the stew just a little bit. And then feel free to season with a little bit of salt and pepper. And yeah, this stew is good to go. Oh my gosh, this soup is so hearty, but crazy easy to make. I think I've made it about 3 times this past 2 weeks already. And feel free to pair it with bread if you have it, with, I don't know, like rice, I don't know, anything that you guys have. It's pretty good by itself already. Anyways, I hope you guys all are staying well. And if you want to see me make a specific dish with pantry items that you guys have at home, just message me, leave it in the comments down below, and I will try my best to get it and then make something with it for you guys. As usual, if you want to see more recipes like this, remember to hit that like and subscribe button, and I will see you guys all again real soon, okay? Bye!